is that this river of time can fork into two rivers. Or perhaps the river of time can have whirlpools and time can go in on itself. In that case, time travel is something you have to take very seriously.
The systems by which we understand time's progression and its organizational role in the universe might potentially be entirely misleading. The whole concept of time as we understand it today might vanish without existence. These aren't wild science fiction notions, but genuine discoveries emerging from the James Webb Space Telescope investigations, supported by theoretical physicist Michio Kaku. His bold statement about time does not exist has produced major disruptions in scientific foundation understanding. This modern exploration takes us to uncover the deepest mysteries of our cosmic realm by using the Webb telescope's revelations. Time serves as the fundamental element through which humans gain comprehension of their surroundings. Physicist Isaac Newton understood time as a universal clock, providing continuous background support for all universal activities. The classical understanding of time changed completely when Albert Einstein presented his theory of relativity, showing how time stretches when subject to gravity fields or high-speed motion. Einstein's work provides the groundwork for the exceptional unearthed insights our modern science discovers at present. Today, the James Webb Space Telescope functions as humanity's most advanced cosmic observatory, while challenging us to chart a new route toward understanding the nature of time. Family members of the Hubble Space Telescope system captured visible light and ultraviolet waves, but Webb utilizes its advanced sensing ability to detect heat signatures of distant space objects through infrared light waves. Webb achieves unprecedented astronomical reach because its specialized ability to detect infrared wavelengths reveals distant celestial objects that existed in earlier times. Webb announced its first collection of images by showing galaxies which formed only 300 million years post-Big Bang. But here's where things get truly bizarre. The observed ancient galaxies exhibit characteristics beyond their expected stage of evolution because they appear unusually large with exceptional brightness. Our present science suggests such rapid universal expansion should not exist. These space objects seem to break physical rules by progressing more quickly than the natural timeline allows. Scientific researchers now must challenge their complete understanding of time because of this startling discovery. Evolution beyond anticipated measurements of distant galaxies billions of light-years away challenges our understanding of universal time flow. Currently perceived time potentially exists as a deceptive property in our reality. Michio Kaku thinks so. Scientists believe the recent discoveries verify that time emerges from fundamental underlying processes which show time lacks fundamental reality status. The mental grasping of this concept truly starts to strain our comprehension as we observe subatomic quantum-scale phenomena. The understanding of time begins to lose its meaning when viewed at this level. At the quantum scale, different states of matter overlap together, while probabilistic rules substitute certainties as the governing principle of particle behavior. The quantum state present in this reality makes differences between temporal segments start to fade away. Through its study of light from ancient galaxies, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope is allowing scientists to investigate the peculiar domain facing Earth. The early universe examinations carried out by Webb reveal much more than historical appearance because they uncover fundamental realities that govern our universe. Scientists analyzing this data through Kaku and others are developing insights indicating time exists as an artificial construct for human brains to organize information beyond human understanding. Since time is different than what our minds perceive, how does this reality affect us and how we live? For our everyday lives, the fundamental nature of birth, death, and free will stands unresolved by this concept. Things are leading into deep philosophical considerations. When time exists only as a mental construct, then both before and after become part of this same illusion. All events from history and all events in the future share existence in an identical present single state. The concept of a permanently unchanging reality integrates all temporal dimensions which exist together as one unified frame. A view similar to the block universe theory describes these structures. Based on this theory, everything in the universe exists superbly together from every time moment present and past and future in a single space-time block. From our restricted viewpoint, humans see time unfold as a graded series parallel to a cinematic reel structure. Reality shows that everything about the universe exists and continues forever while staying precisely as it is at once throughout space-time eternity. The massive consequences stem from this concept. Because all moments dwell together simultaneously in the universe, free will as a concept faces doubts. Our selections together with our physical acts and mental processes are already imprinted within the structure of space-time. According to space-time logic, this appears as divine control, yet it doesn't have to be negative. According to Michio Kaku, timeless space brings us the opportunity to analyze our position regarding the universe. Under the premise of time being an illusion, the same could be true about death itself. According to this theory, birth and death occur together in the present moment, thus both experiences carry equal reality status. Our existence transforms from a temporal process spread across birth and death into a continuous dimension within the universe. Through the James Webb Space Telescope, we gain understanding about the unending permanence of reality. Spaceship imagery revealed to human observers a product of universe evolution more counterintuitive and intricate than any prediction. Through its challenging of our temporal perceptions, we must accept the possibility that our core understanding of existence might prove incorrect. The way this discovery affects causality stands as a primary concern. Our everyday habits depend on the fundamental rule that causes always start before effects occur, while actions generate specific reactions and choices produce resulting effects. A simultaneous existence of all moments challenges our perception of causality, so it becomes potential that our sense of cause and effect is a product of our perception. The order of time-dependent events stems from the natural fusion of spatial elements because all states persist as absolute points within the space-time matrix. Through this viewpoint, scientists understand how entangled particles work together because a change made to one can immediately affect the other whether they remain distant from each other. Time and space illusion allow entanglement phenomena to become more understandable. Quantum links between particles occur directly from timeless reality rather than through space or over time. But what about the beginning of the universe? According to the Big Bang Theory, the first state of our universe consisted of an intensely hot, compressed singularity which then expanded into the vast cosmos we see today. From the standpoint that time is an illusion, the Big Bang possibly did not mark the actual start of time itself. The significant transformation proved to create our reality's past, present, and future framework from an unidentified, eternal present state. The exploration of consciousness stands before us. Our identity develops across time through both our memory of what happened and our expectation of what will happen and our current observations. The perception of time drives our sense of self, yet this sense also appears illusory when every moment exists at once. Our universe may show localized consciousness that serves as its own self-experience mechanism from diverse viewpoints. According to this perspective, our existence functions as one single note within the continuous vast harmonic pattern which forms life's eternal symphony. By viewing life from this perspective, we see ourselves as elements within the bigger picture of things. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel.